Apple's MagSafe wireless charging feature has quickly taken over the world, so much so that Android phones will be getting Qi 2.0 MagSafe later this year. But the truth is, Apple has an even bigger master plan for MagSafe, which will begin to be revealed at Apple's WWDC event in less than 2 weeks. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Mark Gurman's major new iPhone feature leak that Apple plans to bring on with iOS 17, as well as how the iPhone 15 will take MagSafe to a whole new level. First off, we've got to talk about iOS 17 and how Apple envisions users to take advantage of MagSafe in a really unique way. According to Mark Gurman, the major new feature of iOS 17 will actually be a new lock screen interface that'll literally turn your iPhone into a smart home display. Just imagine being able to conveniently control all of your smart home lights, blinds, speakers, cameras, and more right from your iPhone at any time of the night or in the morning. Apparently, the way to enable it is to have your iPhone be not in use while positioned in a horizontal orientation, with the best example being the scenario where you attach your iPhone to a MagSafe charging stand at night, enabling the new mode. Instantly, the background will become dark and the text will be light so that it's easy to read and use. Then a bunch of information will pop up, including calendar appointments, weather data, notifications, and more, basically turning it into a home data hub. The goal of this is to basically make your iPhone more useful when not in use. And honestly, that's a great idea because right now, you don't have access to any smart devices or much interesting data or controls when the lock screen is enabled. So it looks like MagSafe is going to be at the center of this new feature, encouraging more and more people to switch to MagSafe stands in order to use it. But before I get into how the iPhone 15 will take MagSafe to the next level later this year, I've got to talk about a couple of other interesting iOS 17 features that are coming at WWDC. But first, I've got to give a shout out to our partner CaseQ for their Magic Stand case, which is the best value case you can get since it's very rugged, high quality, and stylish, while also featuring magnets for all of your MagSafe accessories. But making it even better, the MagSafe ring is actually on a hinge that works as a finger grip and a stand at a variety of different angles for things like watching videos or even taking photos. So go ahead and check out the discount info and link down in the description below. Now, getting back to iOS 17, one thing that we should expect is more customizable options for widgets, or basically turning them into interactive widgets with more controls, which right now it is extremely limited. And I think this new change is going to be part of that smart home display feature. And there's just so many other things that will be more useful when we get those interactive widgets with iOS 17. Mark Gurman also said that iOS 17 is going to feature a bunch of huge changes and updates to a lot of the apps, like the Wallet app, Find My changes, better share play features when sharing content like when doing FaceTime, and you're also gonna have AirPlay upgrades as well. So across the board, a lot of the things are getting upgraded. But now, let's move on to how the iPhone 15 will take MagSafe to the next level. We recently got a brand new report from a Korean blogger named UX1122, sorry I butchered that, but the iPhone 15 is gonna support 15-watt MagSafe wireless charging while using third-party chargers that are not MagSafe certified. That is absolutely huge because right now there are so many unique MagSafe accessories out there, but they're all limited to 7.5 watt charging because of Apple's artificial limitation, which is basically just making sure that it can detect Apple's own MagSafe unit using NFC, and then it allows 15-watt wireless charging. If not, you only get half of that, which is ridiculous. For example, right now my favorite MagSafe accessory is my car charger that plugs into my vent mount, wireless charges it at the same time, but it's only 7.5 watts because it's not certified. but I use it because I like it better than all of the other Apple expensive options out there. Those ones aren't great, they're very, very pricey. So the big question is, why is Apple gonna allow the full 15 watts with third-party MagSafe chargers? Well, this basically proves that the new Qi 2 wireless charging standard is likely gonna support 15-watt charging at a minimum for all of the Android phones. So with that said, it basically doesn't make sense for Apple to keep this 7.5 watt limit while all the Android folks are getting 15 watts. It would be embarrassing to be an iPhone user, so I think that's why they're giving all iPhone 15s and up the full 15 watts. However, the big problem here is this. How will Apple continue to make MagSafe certification special on the iPhone 15 if you can simply get 15-watt charging with any third-party charger? Well, we had a leak that the new iPhone 15 models will support 20-watt MagSafe charging, but only with a certified MagSafe charger, not any third party. And then this way, people who want to pay for the faster charging will continue to buy the more expensive Apple MagSafe chargers. And this is likely gonna happen thanks to more efficient charging coils, maybe more efficient chips like the A17, and other factors that lead to less heat overall. Now, we've also been getting rumors that Apple is planning to bring more reverse wireless charging features to more accessories and devices. And I fully believe that starting with the iPhone 15, it's gonna support reverse wireless charging for AirPods, especially since now the AirPods Pro 2 support MagSafe charging, so it's basically a no-brainer for Apple to allow you to charge your AirPods from your iPhone. So now in conclusion, I want to finish off with my personal prediction of how all of this MagSafe master plan stuff is going to play out over the future. First of all, I believe that the Apple car is going to be loaded with Apple MagSafe pucks or chargers in the car itself, and then I believe further on into the future, even more car brands are actually gonna have MagSafe wireless chargers. And then on top of that, I think MagSafe is gonna gain data transfer using a new cable. And then that's when the portless iPhone will emerge, relying on MagSafe. But Apple's gonna require an MFI MagSafe cable for the data transfer aspect and to back up your iPhone. That's how they're gonna still make money with MagSafe. And then I even believe that portless Android phones will require Qi 2 as well, completely ditching USB-C later on in the future. And then of course, we're gonna get even more and more unique MagSafe accessories for the time to come. So there you go, that's my thoughts on WWDC and iOS 17 later this year in just a couple of weeks, and the iPhone 15 and all those features. So let me know what you like down in the comment section below, and click the circle above to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.